Very good, my YouTube people. Today we will be showing you how to draw Stitch step by step in a very easy way. This time we will be drawing Stitch without guiding lines, so pay close attention and let's go with this one. Easy drawing, I hope every one of you likes it, and if so, leave a nice comment. Don't forget to like this video, that helps me a lot, and if you want to send me your drawings, you can do so on my Facebook page that is appearing above here. Apart from all that, since you are on my Facebook page, please follow, that helps me a lot to upload content every day. Now yes guys, if you want me to be drawing a character that you want, just comment below in the comment box and I will be drawing it. Or we will put it to a vote if it is repeated a lot. For example, once all this is said, don't forget, God bless you, and until the next video. By the way, in this video there are 2 hidden objects. If you can find it, comment below.